mission. My mission was to rebuild some barn doors, heavy duty, and try to make them as weatherproof as possible and rodent proof. It's kind of an impossibility when you got a sliding barn door. But I sat down, had a lot of coffee, and figured something out, and this is kind of what I came up with. And here's some of the parts that I used. Check it out. So here's the barn. Here's the existing doors. They were literally falling apart, so I just kind of temporarily screwed them to the side of the barn so I can do some repairs on it and get us through the winter. But now it's springtime, and these doors obviously seen better days. You can tell kind of why they fell apart there, but here's what I did to make it better. There's my new doors. I built those. Had to get a couple 5x10x3/4 sheets of CDX. I couldn't get ACX, so this is what I had to do to make them look decent. I got one of the doors built. It's all glued, filled, and sanded. I'm gonna take my router. I'm gonna route this edge so it looks like this. This is the bit I have that's close enough. But it's not quite the size, I think. I must use a bigger router. But this is what I got on my 1/4 inch. It's close enough. I think she'll work. Picked up some new hanger brackets. It all came in a kit from Amazon. I believe it was like $40 or something like that. Anyway, so I'm gonna measure these 4 inches from the outside edge. Then you gotta pre-drill a hole here with a paddle bit for the other end of the adjuster bolt. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark these up and get these on. But picked up these brush seals from JaCor online. These all go on the inside of the opening. Push against the door. It's a flexible seal.
Just move on the bottom of the door, it'll have a brush seal. It'll cover the crack. Keep debris and dirt and all that stuff out. So, even though it seems kind of an odd setup, this is kind of what I figured. Weatherproof these doors as much as possible.
Yeah, I built these doors out of 5x10 plywood, so there's no seams and no anything. They're 60 inches wide and they are 98 tall. So it's kind of a shame I couldn't just do it 8 foot, but it wouldn't be as strong if it was a 4x8 because there'd be a seam in the middle, and that's part of the reason why. The other doors didn't hold up very well, so basically I had to use Bondo, fill and sand the plywood because I couldn't find ACX in a 5x10 by 3/4 sheet of plywood. trim, instead of using fir, I used cedar. It had some knots in it, but you know, it wasn't clear. Couldn't get it, so I decided to mud and sand with Bondo all the imperfections. So it actually turned out pretty dang good. I don't know. Try to improve, make things a little bit more dialed in every time. So the trim has been glued and screwed from the backside, and it's been caulked in the joints, so nothing's gonna run. Water's not gonna run behind it. So should be pretty good. So get real down on it. It's nice and tight. Look pretty good. Try to replicate the old look with the router edge on the trim. Check out the new hardware. Oh yeah, we got this from heck, I believe it was Old West. I don't know. I'll find the link here in a second, but it's a cool, much heavier duty looking bolt to lock into the threshold. And then
the handle. This is cool. The handle, I got this stuff from Wild West Hardware. Pretty heavy duty. It's kind of a hand forged deal. I'm not too thrilled on the diamonded mounting plate there. I think I may cut that off and make it a square, re-weld it. I don't know, but look at that. This is 12 inches in diameter, and hell, that's probably a 3/4 inch round bar there that's been distressed and stuff. Looks nice. Can't wait to get this on.
on that, but
Yeah.
I would say all in all, yeah, we got the quality control on the job. But we're getting there. A couple more adjustments and I can put the threshold and stuff on.